Yo, so when is the next Disney trip?
Good morning. It is a lazy Saturday here at the Burge household. It is actually afternoon. Wow. Okay, it's 12:20. It has been a lazy morning here. We haven't done much of anything. I've edited our vlog from Disney, which is a hot mess, and Jared and Buffett slept in. So now, currently, Buffett is sitting at the door watching his daddy blow up our pool. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. So we bought a pool, and Jared is blowing it up. Buffett's just watching. He don't know what to think. Yeah. Jared's blowing it up with a vacuum cleaner. We'll see how this goes. This may be what we do today. We were supposed to go to a food truck rodeo, so we'll see about that too. How's it going?
It's not easy. I wish it had the big valves, but they have the small ones.
Don't you have an air compressor?
It doesn't work. Really.
Oh.
Don't you have an air pump?
I do somewhere. Hold on, let me go look for it.
Is that even?
Yeah. And now you're got that tape underneath it though.
I can move that.
Okay.
Some stability. Is it hanging off the edge over there?
Yeah, just a little bit.
On this side, right?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, this side too. So,
Look at little Buffett.
step one.
The adventure begins.
I almost thought about getting my little pool out.
What? We can both just sit in this.
Yeah, we could.
But Buff's not
You want
gonna.
this pumped up anymore?
Yeah, probably.
What?
Buff's not gonna get in this
Say
anyway.
yeah, probably.
Yeah. Oh my God, there's bugs.
Tell me.
That's good.
How excited are you? Are you?
Yeah. I'm ready to get in now. We don't even have any water in it yet. Oh my gosh. Too bad it's not a hot tub. We can hang our lights back up.
Do what?
Too bad it's not a hot tub when we like hang our lights back up and be out here at night. We probably need to go get another tarp.
Where's the other one at?
We probably need to go get another tarp to like cover it up.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know where our Lowe's is.
The sucky part is it's supposed to rain and stuff here today.
Is it really?
It
It looks kind of like rain.
But it's not till like so. Gibson, I have High Point. Gibsonville, it says possible thunderstorm right there. But High Point, only one little spot, and it's really little small.
Well, if we go from 4 to whatever, because it starts at 4.
Yeah.
Then, so. Wonder what we could put in this so that it doesn't blow away. You know what I'm saying? I mean, water would help, but like,
Yeah. I don't know.
if you fill it up and it's not got a cover over it, it's gonna be filled with crap. So we can put it in the garage if you just wanted to blow it up and see what it looked like.
That's up to you. Do you want to get in it?
Okay. Ready? I'm in it. I do think there's a. I think there's another.
Thing on the bottom.
Yeah.
Probably.
Cause look right
It
here.
wouldn't be hard. Yes. No, that's
the
the
drain.
plug.
Cause there. See, there's a.
There's 3. There's one right here. There's another one right there. There's another one right there.
So there's just one missing. Or something. Well, this will be fun. I'm gonna go get our gimbal out and see about charging it. Okay?
What the heck is this?
What the heck is what?
What is this?
It's the duster thing.
Oh, then no, I have better luck with that. I might be have better luck with just regular blowing.
Well, there's another one somewhere in the garage. That was only.
The box is empty.
It's got to be in there somewhere, cause it.
I don't know where.
Oh yay, drinks. Crime truck. Woohoo! Well, it's done. I now have a backyard, a pool in my backyard. A backyard in my pool. It's got cup holders. We're gonna be styling and profiling. We gotta set up a little spot for stinkers. You can if you want to. I know. Do you think we should do that, or should we clean out the garage so we have a spot to like put it, and then move some stuff out there? Okay. You want to? Yeah. I mean, we could do both at the same time.
Filling it up while we're doing it.
But I'm scared of what he'll do. You gonna come get him?
I wonder if I should let a little out on the bottom. Maybe.
So, we have a pool. We've got a tanning pole. Look, can you sit down in it?
On this too?
Well, it doesn't matter. Look at all the space. You were so worried about it not being big enough. Look at that. There you go. You can tan right there. I know, you're having a fit. You want to go outside because there's another doggy. And you're stressed. So, all right, we going to clean out the garage?
Yeah.
You want me to move my car?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go change clothes first. Okay. Well, we're filling up with water. It's on an angle, so one side gets more water than the other already. We gotta find a strainer. And it's like ice water. So I may go get like a big bucket of hot water out of the... Ooh. I could do that. Yep. We're gonna put some stuff up out of the garage so we can put it places when we're not using it. We can also put it in the grass if we wanted to. So, yay, we have a pool. So, filling up the pool again because we moved it off the patio. And put it in the grass with a tarp. So we're gonna let it fill up a little bit. Go get another tarp to cover it, and that will be it for the day. We're gonna go to Hot Chix. Hopefully. So, yay! We have a pool now. That'll be fun. Okay, so we are getting ready to leave to go to the food truck festival. We've gotten ready. We are dressed and ready to go. Jared is trying to figure out how his little gimbal works because we haven't used them in so long. I don't think it's worth it to try. Well, let's just do this.
Okay. I
gotta find the charger for it though. Wonder if I could charge it in the car. I'll go get the... Well, we made it.
Yep.
To the food truck Rodeo. We're here for Hot Chix and only Hot Chix.
Maybe.
I'm here only for Hot Chix.
Probably.
So, we're coming to find you, Hot Chix.
Is it a concert or something?
Maybe it's a graduation.
Maybe it's a graduation.
It does look like white chairs. Maybe it's a wedding. Maybe the wedding is on the stadium.
That could make sense. There's a lot of like nice dressed people around.
There's so many people, and like there are chairs out on the field. That'd be so cool. So here we go.
They have a wedding?
Yeah, they get married on the baseball field.
As soon as
I'm gonna get married on.
Says there's a pitch right down
Yeah,
the middle.
I'm gonna get married on the Savannah Bananas ball game field.
Right.
Okay, well, ruined my dreams, Jared. Ruined my dreams.
Renewal of vows.
Okay. Start ordering.
Yeah, start ordering.
Yo, so when is the next?
Jared and his
That's why.
little tots, chicks on tots, and the wonderful mac and cheese.
I think I'm gonna get something else. So
Yeah.
I didn't want to go.
Well, we had our Hot Chix. Now we're walking around to look. Oh, look at there's a tavern. I would have never known all this was down here. No, it is really good. Something does not smell very good. And there's Porterhouse. I love their egg rolls. Man, I love their egg rolls. I don't want any egg rolls, I just like them.
Walking straight down into the park.
Yep.
It's very nice.
We sat with a couple from up north to eat our lunch, dinner, whatever this was. And their kid kept apologizing to me about how much they talked. Yeah. He was like, I'm so sorry. And then I looked over at him again and he goes, I'm so sorry.
I saw that. I thought he was talking to you, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah, he was apologizing for them. Which they were fine, they didn't bother me any.
No.
Better than somebody sitting and just having to eat in silence and how awkward it would be.
Funnel cake. That may be an option. The only problem is I can't get the funnel cake before we leave because I'm not putting that bad boy in the car. Let the air conditioner.
Disney all over again.
Worse than a churro.
There's James out in the wild. I don't think High Point is too bad, do you?
I don't. You could go out right there. I wonder if there's a concert taking place. You know what I mean?
I don't know.
There's a box in there. There's a box in there.
I just knocked their table. So there's a lot more coming because
There's several.
like things. Can't wait to meet you. Stock and Grain High Point. So I guess we need to follow along.
what's coming. I've been around this.
Pretty fantastic. Hot.
What would you like to do?
Whatever you want. You were the one who didn't eat a lot, so you could eat something else. So, whatever you want to eat.
Yeah.
Here's the sign of everything that's coming. What you want, honey? You want some Kona pizza?
I think they're running crepes today, not Konas.
It does say crepe station.
Yeah, the crepes going.
Nutella.
Let's go look at this back menu.
You-
I know I can't get it.
Okay.
I'm aware I can't get it.
Okay.
I just want to look at the menu.
As long as you know you can't have it.
What if I want a cheesecake? You think
Okay.
I can get that?
Yeah. You would pick the one that was in the sun.
What are you talking about?
The smoked mac. We're just looking at the menu though.
Yeah, the menu. But actually, the only problem is I think the menu is.
You can look at their menu on their website, I think.
Okay. Well, let's look at the cheesecake. What cheesecake am I got? What do I got?
Lemon custard, glaze, apple pie, raspberry, pineapple upside down, pineapple
I
cream.
was looking at the apple pie. It's got topped with warm apple pie filling, caramel, brown sugar, and cinnamon crumble. But you said you like the.
I don't want anything. I'm full.
Should I get one or should I not? Should I wait?
What else are you gonna eat?
That would be my dessert.
Okay, but that's what I'm saying. What else are you gonna eat?
I don't think nothing else.
Okay.
So
Get
dessert
one.
to get it to go.
I don't care if you get it.
Do you want one? Do you have a preference?
I do not.
Look at apple pie. My phone.
Look, we're
You hear
at
me?
the.
You can use. If mine gets stolen, it gets stolen. Come on.
We're worried about his phone getting stolen. We're at the.
Bright lights.
I know it is bright. That was the other issue.
You should lift it up. Like angle it high.
Well, I want to, but the struggle of recording announcements each week. This is what we go through.
Yes.
And people are watching us as we're doing this.
As you're struggling.
Because I can't get it to go up any further or faster. I just think this is so cool. I'm super
Alright, see your
excited.
Good?
Yep.
Is that? I don't have it tight. I have it.
And see, though, if I like back up like this, I think you should lower it down. And point it upwards, yeah.
Like that?
A little more, probably.
Ooh.
You gotta tighten this part.
No, you have to
Tighten this
tighten that part. I just didn't know where.
Now we're crooked somehow.
Because you don't have. You can't. The way you've done it, like this thing, you turned it like. I can't explain it. It won't fully turn to the right. So the only way to do it.
Well, really, is this what we're doing right now?
No, I fixed it. We'll just slide it up. Is that what you want? I like that.
Yeah, I like it. Don't you?
Yeah, you want to... Sorry.
No, because now it's in my... It was better where it was.
Okay. Well, I was trying to take away this person's house.
It doesn't matter.
Is this cake?
So this is the struggle we go through. You ready?
Yeah, start the whole thing.
We're gonna
over.
start over. So we're gonna do the announcements. We finished our announcements after 15,000 families decided that they also needed to take pictures.
Sorry, I saw this trash can and I was down and turned to get rid of this right now.
Where did it even come from? The fork. The fork. That says do not enter. Okay. We're in here for a purpose. I've got a backpack in here.
Is the purpose to find...
Buffett a bit.
Oh, I was looking close.
You can if you would like.
Well, I have to be in the camera unless you let me separate.
We will separate and go our own way. I'm gonna find Buffett a bit.
Can you make sure when you redo this, can you insert the song, go your own way?
Yeah.
Right there,
Okay. Gotcha. Bye.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
Let me carry it all the way through the store, and now he wants to carry it.
But Target is acquired.
We have Buffett a new bed from TJ Maxx.
And I got a polo.
And Buffett got another lamb chop. So now we can play the game multiple lamb chops, and there'll be 3.
Well, actually,
And at his
4.
birthday, there will be 4. So, on to the next target. Ah, there's freaking love bugs everywhere. Well, it's not really a love bug. It looks like one. We're not in Florida. I wish we were there. We got asked about our matching Vineyard Vine shirts.
I had a Vineyard Vine shirt on before you put yours on.
That is not a true statement.
I told you I was wearing one, and then you said, well, I guess we'll just be matching then.
But I had mine on first.
That's because I asked you which one you preferred me to wear. So I intervened with your color. Bless you.
Thanks. I had mine on first. Alright, I don't know if this Lowe's has what we're looking for. So we may be going to 2 Lowe's. We need chlorine tablets for our little baby pool. This may not be advised, so please do not judge. But we're going to do it anyway. Right?
Hibbett Sports is still alive.
Really?
Unless they just never tore the sign off the back. Which is
It's possible around here. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't think James can technically
You're not being facetious.
Correct, but
Crescent Fork and High Point. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what we're looking for is. Probably outside. Don't you think?
what is it again?
Okay. Second target acquired. Tarp to cover the pool. Floater. Clorox tabs. I'm doing this off of Google. This guy did it in his little kiddie pool. So we're really taking a chance here. But his was a blow up. I just want to be sure to not mess up. Here.
Zip tie.
Now we need zip ties and light bulbs. I don't think we're gonna find the light bulb we're looking for. But so we wanted Chick-fil-A, but then I decided not to get Chick-fil-A in High Point because all I really wanted was ice. So now we're at Sheets. Jared's in Sheets. Going to go get us ice. And then we'll go home and cover the pool with the tarp we got and put Buffett's bed. It's back there, in his thing to see if he likes it. I don't really like this place very much. Yeah. Okay. So that was the end of that day. Well, maybe not. He's gonna go outside and look at this mess I created.
You want it big though.
So we got a tarp to cover it.
Yeah, you want it. This is perfect because we can actually probably slide it underneath.
Well, it's not enough on this end.
There's plenty on this. Like there's extra there.
Yeah. So. Mr. Fix-It Jared on the case. Buffy got a new toy. Say, I got a new lamb chop. I got a new lamb chop. Yeah, I did. So hopefully using the dark side.
Do it.
Hopefully using this like dark side will help it heat up tomorrow while we're at church. But the only bad thing is when you're tucking that, you just tuck the other harp too.
Okay.
Okay. Well, it'll stay. It'll be fine.
You just want it to stay.
Yep.
I mean, we're not supposed to be getting no 13 force winds.
It's fine. It's fine. He wants to play with his
He's
new lamb
taking that
chop.
new lamb chop everywhere. He said, "Here I come."
Here I come inside. All right, watch out. Back it up.
Where's your vest? Everything you're
And then this is Buffy's new bed. This is great. Yeah, his new bed. He's smelling it. He's not sure about that one. Hello. Oh, he just hit his head. Ha. What do you think? What do you think? I didn't put him in there. He went in there by himself.
Did he?
Yeah.
I think it'll be fine.
Well, now this is the end of our vlog. Thank you for following along. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe.
And as always, folks,
We don't have a catchphrase.
rabba-dabba-dabba-da.
And it's not gonna be that. Not that.
What do you want me to do? Dress and drag and do the hula? Hula, hula, hula. Eat.
Pretty sure that's copyrighted. We'll see you later.
Deuces,